This video I will share you less important updates about Cano Inu coin, its price prediction this year mega balloon and its major central exchange listing because I can see friends 235% pump in last 24 hours, so a massive pump in Cano Inu coin last 24 hours. So I will show you all further details here, so you have to just for the complete video here. But friend, before that, if you like my content and if you wanna watch more meme coins video, more 1000x potential meme coins video, then you have to support Sky Crypto channel. I provide these all my crypto addresses links in description and also my Telegram channel. You have just joined my Telegram channel, copy these addresses, and you can support Sky Crypto channel for 1000x potential meme coins in long term and also in short term. You can see 2 days ago I shared Shiruniku coin, and after few hours, this meme coin was more than 2x from this video. Okay, you can play this video and check out Shiru price in this video, and after that here I also share you this screenshot with you. After few hours, this meme coin was awesome pump here. You can see I hit 0.7077 dollars price here. So if you're also not miss any 1000x potential meme coins and massive pump meme coins, you have to support Sky Crypto channel. You can see right now this meme coin is pumped by more than 34%. Okay, 234% pump in last 24 hours. This amazing performance from this meme coin. $28 million market right now, $4.8 million trading volume in last 24 hours, 1 trillion coin supply, almost all in circulation. Ethereum ecosystem meme coin. Okay, friends, you can see Ethereum ecosystem meme coin because there's another Cano coin with same profile, with same. You can see, friends. When I'm searching here, Cano, you will find another Cano. Okay, you can see this is another Cano, but on base chain. I'm talking about this meme coin that is on Ethereum chain, but this is other can do with same profile. You can see, friends, this meme coin is working on base chain, base ecosystem meme coin. But the can do I'm talking about and I shared you 5 months ago is on Ethereum chain. Okay, this one, man can do coin, and this can do is listed on many other major centralized exchanges also. Okay, friends, I see a meme coin on Ethereum chain. We are 965% up in soul time low. Coin has already killed 2 zeros since its launching. We are still 90% down the soul time high, also 90% down the soul time high. So right now, as Bitcoin is again bumping here, all crypto markets looking bullish. So it's now possible that we can see Cano coin towards this new all time high. Already listed in MEX exchange where I'm holding this coin. Okay, I also buy 5 months ago. CoinX has listed, Bitbart, BingX, Bilexi, Big One has list. So already many central exchanges has list this coin. Polnex is also one of them. So still there's no any major tier one central exchange listing for this coin. But as this meme coin is awesome pump here, 234% pump last 24 hours. So now it's possible that we can see can do a new listing in maybe Get.io, Bybit, KuCoin. These type of central exchanges can list can do soon. But after that, it's definitely possible. Then this year mega balloon super cycle meme coins mega balloon, we can see Cano Inu listing in maybe Binance and many other tier 1 exchanges because in other dog theme meme coin. Okay, you can see six native Japanese dog breeds. So a Japanese narrative dog theme meme coin, and that's why this meme coin has potential to be the next big meme coin. How you can buy this meme coin on Daxis. Okay, you can create wallet, buy Ethereum, then you can swap Candino to the Ethereum. These are some central exchanges that I will show you where this meme coin listed, and lots of other central exchange listing may be possible. 1 trillion coin supply and all in circulation, and you can check out all further details about this token on their website is no doubt looking very good, friends. Website is looking awesome. 16,563 holders for this meme coins. Number of holders are also good, more than 16,000 holders already for this meme coin. Okay, number one wallet has 2.2% of supply. Uniswap has 2.1% of supply. Some other central exchanges has 1% of supply. You can see, friends, 1%, 1%, 1%. MEX has 0.89% of supply. So mostly wallets has less supply. So this is good. Lbank has holding this coin and many other wallet. You can also check out this all wallet by yourself. You can see, friends, wallet number 55 is this dare wallet that is 0.3% supply. Okay, 0.3% supply is burned, they're worth about $92,000. Okay, no doubt burnings are very low, but this is good that 0.3% supply is burned also. Maybe in future they can burn more Kanjinu coin. So now my price prediction about Canoe coin is that no doubt friends, this token can be highly risky also, because it's still 90% down in all time high, and within just 24 hours of last 24 hours this meme coin is 233% pump here. So maybe it's possible that this meme coin has potential to be the next big meme coin, but highly risky. I'm not talking that this meme coin will surely going to be the next 50, 100 or 1000x, but it's definitely possible that this meme coin maybe will not perform good. Okay, reason is there. You can see still we are 90% down this all time high, and within just one day this meme coin is 230% pumped. So if you're investing in this meme coin, invest in very low amount and wait. Maybe we can see a good correction here, and you can buy this meme coin around maybe 20 to 15 million dollars here. But at your own research and at your own risk, I think definitely can you look awesome also, because Ethereum ecosystem, dog theme meme coin, Japani narrative meme coin. So definitely I think this meme coin can cost around $500 billion market. But if their community can make a massive hype in crypto market, then it's also possible to hit Canoe around $1 billion market in this year's super cycle meme coin mega balloon. What are your price prediction? You can ask comment down below.